Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to talk a little bit about toilet flappers. It's a really simple device inside the back of your toilet, and it looks like this. And what happens is when you press the handle of the toilet, it lifts up this flapper and the water rushes through, causing the toilet to flush. Now, if you have a toilet flapper that's going bad, you're going to have a very obvious symptom, and that's happening right now with this toilet behind me. If you listen closely, you can hear that there's water running through the toilet even though it's not being flushed actively. And that's because around the base of this flapper right here, some of the water is making its way through. And when that happens, it eventually causes the water valve to refill the back of the tank, and then it leaks out, and it just does that over and over again. So you'll hear that valve kicking in and out as the toilet runs out of water. So in order to fix this problem, all we have to do is install a new toilet flapper. Now the one that I'm holding right here is actually a little bit larger one. Most of the time it's going to be a 2-inch flapper, which is what we have right here. So I'll show you what that looks like quick, and then we're going to go ahead and order one, and it should be here tomorrow for us to be able to fix this problem.
Another common reason for water to leak past the flapper is if the handle is hung up or the chain is tangled a little bit, so make sure that that is not the case. And then also make sure to measure the flapper before you order a replacement, whether or not you have a 2-inch or a 3-inch. Like I said, 2 inch is most common, but 3 inch is fairly common as well.
Now, if it is the fill valve that's leaking, it's something that you want to make sure that you don't misdiagnose. But the fill valve, if it was continuing to allow some water through, you would not hear it turning on and off like you're noticing in this case. Now, down here in the bottom, you can see right there is the toilet flapper. And if I push on it, if I reach down in here and push on this, listen, I can actually get that leaking sound to stop. So basically the gasket on the bottom side of this flapper has gone bad. So if I pop this off of here, you'll see right here on this bottom side, this gasket is just kind of deteriorating. And if I rub my thumb on it, actually, you can see that it's breaking down. I'm going to go ahead and order a few from Amazon. I'll link to these in the description. They most likely will have them at the hardware store as well, but these will be here tomorrow as long as I order them in the next 19 minutes. Fluidmaster does a really good job. These particular ones are a little bit adjustable. If you need to, you can buy one of these complete kits that allows you to replace the entire overflow assembly and everything, but most of the time you can get by with just the flapper. Go ahead and place our order, and those should be here tomorrow. Now in the meantime, if you still need to continue to use the toilet, what you can do is just shut off the angle stop right back here, and then just turn it on and off as needed. So we're going to go ahead and wait. So we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll get this flap installed. And just like that, our replacement Fluidmaster flappers have arrived. It's actually really nice the way that these are packaged, because you don't want them to get squished or basically put into a shape that will cause them not to seal properly. So we're going to slide one of these out. Now you can actually adjust the amount that the toilet flushes based on where this is positioned here. And it's kind of confusing because it doesn't really seem like it changes much, but if you look on the bottom of the flapper, you'll see that we have a hole right here as well as a hole on the side. And this position changing from where this hole is will change how soon the flapper goes back down. So maybe we'll try it in both the min and max position. So to remove the flapper, all we have to do is pop up each edge, just like that. And then the flapper is off. And if we're going to use our new chain, we just remove this clip from the top right here. Just like that. So hold the flapper out. And then we'll go ahead and drop this on. And click it in place. 1, 2. Alright. It's on there. And let's go ahead and add our chain. Perfect. Alright, that'll do it. Okay, so we're good to go. Let's go ahead and turn the water on. Okay, so now it's on the minimum setting. Let's see how it flushes and how soon it goes down. So here we go. Whoa, that's crazy how fast it goes down. So if you want to save water, I guess that's what you do. Let's rotate this now. Alright, so that's the max setting now. Yep, and I think I'll leave it like that. I prefer to use a little bit more water than less, so that it's most likely to flush. So I'm going to leave it on the max setting, but it's kind of cool that you can adjust it to be whatever you want. Now if you need to continue working on your toilet, I've got a couple videos right here that should be relevant to help you with that. If this video has helped you out, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe down below for more videos like this one, and if you choose to use those links in the description, I would really appreciate that as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys right over there.
Does it work?
Yep. Be careful not to touch the flashlight. Okay, you can go walk back there and you can look in there. And then, do you want to try flushing it, Zella? Let Zella do it. Let Zella do it. Look in there. Look in there.
No!
Is that crazy cool? You can let go now, Zella. There we go.
That looks like a bath.
Looks like a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Looks like where you wash your feet. Thanks for watching this video.
Should we put the lid on it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, is that better? Now it's ready.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I hope Dad makes a couple more videos that we could watch.
Uh-huh.
Bye.